Oh, 09 James here. I'm gonna go ahead and make this like this. This is just gonna be my template to mark out on the tube right there. So what's up against this one here? And I'm gonna cut that out, and I'm gonna use this 1/4" bottom round plate. The bottom of that pipe, and it's gonna go inside the burn chamber, and weld this onto this one here. So this is 25 inches, and this one has to be cut down about that much, about 3.5 inches. It's going to be about 2 inches from the top of that one there, and I'm going to cut this out about that far, and 45, or just maybe straight up. That way it'll be closer to the box. That way more of the heat goes inside the flames there. So this is just I'm going to use this as a top plate. On the inside, so when it burns, it'll burn on that plate and not through the top. So it'll have more space to heat up. Go ahead and mark this out. Get back to you on this one. I got it marked out right here. I'm gonna cut it. And I was thinking of using this. I think it's 1.5 inch, 1.25 inch square tubing. Yeah, 1.5 inch square tubing. Probably drill some holes in here, a couple holes, and probably cut it in half and put it inside, and cut a hole for it at the bottom. That way it has secondary air to burn going up the chimney to get it to burn the gas. The gases up in the chimney riser tube. So I'll put a couple holes in here, both sides, maybe 4 sides of it. Okay, back. I did cut this to fit the pipe there. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I'll also cut this down 1.5 inches from the 25, so it should be with the bottom plate there. It's 23.5 round there somewhere. So, also, yeah, I use these 3M respirators with the 2091 filter on it. And also I use a lot of Harbor Freight grinders, cutting disc. This is the Warrior brand, and I really like the Bauer ones. These ones have longer cutting life on it, but in a pinch, and then when they're on sale coupon, I usually buy some of these, and I'll spend extra money if I really need it for the Bauer. And I also use the Warrior, the blue ones. I think they're Hercules, I believe. But these are a good brand, these ones. You usually get them from Harbor Freight. Especially when they're on sale, I usually grab a couple. The way I have on hand. Little FYI. Yeah, so that's for how far I got so far. And as you can tell, or I can, It's pretty much almost lined up. So I just need to tack them up and cut out the box it's going to be sitting on. Then I'm going to have to be using a plate. So I got this 1/4 inch flat plate that I was making a firebox and I just ended up cutting it out. It was real heavy, so I had to cut it up and make the heater. Probably use this as the back plate, bottom plate, and top plate for this one. And just mark them out, cut the box out. Hopefully it'll be enough to do the top and bottom, and we'll see on that one. I'm just going to measure it out on that one. Kind of cramped in my shop here, so jockeying around. Got my phone on a tripod, so alright, get back to you on this one here. Okay, here's the dry fit. I'm going to cut about make it 2 inches from here to there, and cut out the tubing for there with a feed tube, and then cut it off right there. That way the feed tube comes up, and I don't know if you can see it down there. It fits in there real nice, so I'm going to weld that on there to that bottom plate just like that, on that round plate, and it's sticking up 1/4 inch, and that other round bottom one will be coming out right there. So that's just a dry fit. I gotta go back to work, and plus my battery's about to die out right now, so that's just the update on this one, part 3 I believe on it. So that's just a dry fit. I'll get back to you on it again. I'm gonna go ahead and weld it up later tonight. So alrighty, thank you, bye.